And then we're gonna put this sucker. Look how beautiful. Alright guys, I wanted you to check out my new inverter. It is from, how you say that? LVYUAN? I don't know, is what I needed. So this is the 12 volt input. Check out the front end. Yeah, this is great. It's pure sine wave. If you know what that means, you'll figure it out if you do any research on these power inverters. The one that this truck comes with, this guy here, he's pulling a lot of amps for no reason. I'll get a better view. There it is. And it's also not pure sine wave. It's just these kids. Guys, it's hot. Back from vacation, it's hotter here than it was in South Florida. I promise you that. But anyways, the one that comes with the tripac Evolution, it's I think it's less than 2,000 watts or around there. I can't remember. Again, if you want that information, you're literally holding the computer in your hands to find out. I'm always unprepared for videos. This one is 8,000 max and 4,000 continuous. So that's exciting, right? You see my setup? Well, here it is. I got a pretty decent sized mini fridge and a TV and Blu-ray player and microwave, and that thing back there just can't I wouldn't say can't, but I just don't trust it. Plus it's not, you know what I mean, it's a modified sine wave, so some of the stuff like laptops and crap wouldn't like to run off of it. So here's the stuff that it comes with. Some fuses. I mean, use your own fuses, don't use theirs. You know what I mean? Because God knows how accurate those fuses are. A lock washer and looks like a brass or copper. That's a wasp. Get the hell out of here. I hate wasps. And he comes back. Like, what are you doing? He's curious. Simple installation here. It also came with very short cable. Actually, two sets of cables that are very short. I'm going to use my existing and see if it's pulling okay off of that. If it's still pulling hard, that means the existing ones are messed up, but I don't think so. The only problem that I see here, other than having this ground, is there's no other ground. The Thermo King has one that's grounded to the chassis, actually, along with this, which is obviously grounded to the chassis along the way. Coolest thing about this, get it out of here, it's taped to the bottom. It's got a remote, guys. Let's turn it on and off. Literally, you could just flick the switch, I guess, but it comes with 4 brass or copper washers and 2 lock washers, 4 fuses. I'll see if one's installed here in a second, but let's hook it up. All right, now that we're down here on the floor, we're going to take the Ingersoll Rand modified sine wave low watt inverter out of here and put in this beauty. Hi. Love it, so you can see how they spelled it and everything and what it all looks like. Like I said, I had bought the 24 volt in accident. And here we go. But here we go. We're going to take these off. Dang it, I got to find out. Hopefully I got pliers back here. I don't want to mess around too much. Pretty simple. This one's bolted to the thing. So we're going to lay that one on the ground for now and cover the positive with some tape. But so far this is coming loose with whatever socket I have in here, so I'll let you know what size that is momentarily. These are going to be hot. Probably not a wise idea to do what I'm doing, but as long as you don't touch them together, you're fine. And even if you do, just don't let them touch too long. Alright, what size do I got? I believe it's, yeah, 1/2 inch. That's 1/2 inch bolt. And we're done. Simple. It's just, it was a lot of work to wrestle these cables that are existing from the other one. Because for like, what? 10 years. They've been used to being twisted a certain way. So I got to figure out what to do with the body ground. Like, I don't think it fucking matters at all. But I am going to tape it off. And then we're going to put this sucker. Look how beautiful. We're going to put her up here to where the power outlets are facing upwards, I guess. And that's pretty much it. I'm not telling you how to do it. I'm just vlogging how I'm doing it, you know. Clearly I'm not an electrician. Okay, we got her. She's just gonna lay on the floor. Like, then we'll test the refrigerator and the microwave. See what happens. Hey, alrighty, we're getting ready to head out and check it out. 13.7, 13.6, 121 volts, and we're about to get this going. Alright, so we got refrigerator and microwave hooked up. Just gotta plug her in. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Nice. Barely even touched it. Guarantee this refrigerator is kicked on or is about to. It's definitely handling it better than the other one did. The other one would already be down to 13.3 and simply just dropping. That's got so much more room, so let's load it with the fan. All right, so we got the box fan going. Still got plenty of room. Now let's do something else. I know the fridge is running now, I can feel it. Let's run this. Beautiful. Look at that. Still got room. Very curious to see if it goes back up to 13. That's all right. That's okay. Let's see what happens. We're gonna go back to 11, 12. It's all right. I'm happy. I can cook. My fan can be working. Nice. There you go, guys. It passed my test. I mean, that's all I need it for. Let me know what you think. I'll try to put a link below. I mean, just look it up. I found their website, but I found them on Amazon for about $50 cheaper. I guess they're doing like some kind of sale. I got the 24 volt on accident. I didn't see the 12 volt on there, and they sent me a replacement anyway. So I think, you know, for 350 bucks, for that many watts of an inverter, a pure sine wave inverter for 350 bucks. Yeah, it's a good one. Only time will tell. Make sure you subscribe to this trucking life to find out for sure. Thanks again. Hit the like, subscribe. I've got other shit coming on.